My Beautylish Lucky Bag is here. I saw this was coming today and I was so excited when it got here. I was working and I've had to wait until work is over before I can film this. It was driving me crazy. If you don't know what a Beautylish Lucky Bag is, I'm going to include all that information down below in the description box, and we're just going to get into what's in this box, okay? Beautylish does this lucky bag every year, and it's kind of one of those things where you want one really bad and you buy one and then you're nervous because you're like, am I going to get something I don't like? Am I going to get something that I already have? What am I going to get? You will get your money's worth, that's for sure. So here's the paper. I know if you're watching this video, you've probably watched all of the ones that are out there. So we're just going to go ahead and, you know, the paper is like wrapping paper. It's really thick. I like keeping it and putting it on my shelves for my bookshelf and my vanity drawers. It's really nice. Okay, so this is just the regular lucky bag, and this is everything that's in it. They do package it really well, so I'm really excited about that because you definitely don't want to receive anything broken or damaged. Okay. This is why it's called a mystery bag. Well, you see the look on my face. Benefit, they're real mascara. I can't use this. It's just my lashes come out, so I'll have to pass this along. I saw that everybody was getting this. It's coming soon. This is in a vellum little holder. This is from Good Molecules, and this is the Wake Up Eye Serum. And this has caffeine and pumpkin extract to brighten, firm, and depuff. So I will be set on the depuffing of the eyes. Here, that is a full 1 ounce. I'm not big on getting skincare in a mystery bag just because skincare is so very much personal to the person that receives it, because skin is different, texture is different, dry, oily, combination, acne prone, mature skin, wrinkle skin. I'm not a fan of getting skincare in mystery bags. Something I'm not happy about getting is the Oribe Gold Lust Dry Shampoo, only because I've tried the Oribe line and I don't care for it. Can't be a full size. This is 1.3 ounces of a dry shampoo. This is the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector in Prismatic Amethyst. And I have the full size of this already. Darn it, that would have been fun, but I already have it. And then the next thing in here is the Soft Glam palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills, which I also already have. This would have been fabulous if I didn't already have it. But, you know, that's the luck of the draw with these bags. And then I got a Goss number 10 brush, which is nice. I like his brushes. This is my 3rd year getting the lucky bag. So, well, that's my lucky bag. And I wasn't so lucky this year. I will use, actually, you know what, I might pass this on to my mom because I'm pretty set for eye serums, but I just, you know, stop sending the hair stuff. Beautylish, you're, you know, not everybody's skin and not everybody's hair is the same. You have thick hair, you have curly hair, you have textured hair, you have fine hair, you have limp hair, you have old hair, and not everybody uses dry shampoo. And I guess that's one of the things about the lucky bags, right? I sound so negative. It's just because I was so excited. And the only thing in here that I will use is this Goss brush, and I guarantee you it's not worth $75 plus shipping and tax. So let's go ahead and just see what the value is. I got 6 products. The first being, I can't put a value to this because I don't know if the pricing is going to be similar to the Ordinary, or if it's going to be the higher end of the Ordinary products, or something like a higher end skincare like Darphin. I don't know. So this could be worth $10. It could be worth $30. Who knows? The Benefit They're Real Beyond Mascara, full size, is $25. Oribe Gold Dust Dry Shampoo, $22 for 1.3 ounces. $22? Does this gold in here make my hair look like Dolly Parton's hair? Because it should for $22. Is there really gold in here? I should be selling this stuff. I'm sorry, guys. I'm not a fan of this. I'm not happy about that, but let's move on. The Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector in Pressed Prismatic Amethyst. Look at that. Isn't that such a cool package? This is $38. I already have it, sadly. I'm going to have to pass that along. The Soft Glam Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette is $42. And then the Goss number 10 brush is $38. So that's a whopping, do the math, $165. and I paid $85 including tax, shipping, and handling. Now, would I have paid that had I known what was going to be in the box? No. Although these two items alone are $80, $42 and $38, that's $80, right? So it's almost worth what I paid for it, but I wouldn't pay that for this because I already have it. So the value of the box is there. I did get almost double my money's worth. However, I wouldn't put that value on it as far as use because I'm not going to sell anything in here. That's just not right for me to do. So either I'll have a giveaway or I'll pass it along. That's my lucky bag, and I'm not happy with my lucky bag, but I'm not mad about it because you know what? You know that's what you're in store for. It's just a toss of the coin. It's just a toss of the bag, whether you're going to get a great one or a not so great one. So I still will probably do it next year anyway. But hey guys, editing Twyla here. Got a little bit of a surprise for you. As I was sitting here editing this, I thought, man, I'm so negative. And you know what? My unlucky bag can be your lucky bag. I'm gonna give this away. So if you want to win these 3 items, which is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam Palette, the Benefit They're Real Beyond Mascara, and the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector Prismatic Amethyst, I will put a link down below for the giveaway, but here are the rules. Must be a subscriber, must enter using the link in the description, and must tell me what you think about the Beautylish Lucky Bags this year. You think they're worth it or not? One thing I forgot to say, I have some travel coming up, so this is just gonna have to go until I get back from my travel. So it'll probably be somewhere around the 11th or 12th of February that I close this giveaway. Enter. Good luck. Thanks for watching. Everybody come back and see me again. Mwah. Bye. For my cheeks, Wayne, are you going to grace my cheeks and make them look $85 of heaven? Just do your magic, Wayne. I don't know why I smelled that. That's weird.